Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out another lip product that I picked up from Target recently. So I showed this as part of my new makeup haul from Target that I posted here on YouTube. So if you haven't seen that yet, make sure you check it out. But this is from Makeup Revolution and it's the Pout Balm Plumping Lip Gloss with Vitamin E in this beautiful shade called Peachy, which when I was looking this up online, this might be Target exclusive. At least I didn't see this shade at the other retailers, and I'm really excited to see how this shade is going to look. But I'm just so excited to be trying out, first of all, a Makeup Revolution product because I love Makeup Revolution. This retails for only $7, so not a very pricey lip plumper. And I just love plumping lip glosses, and I love colored lip glosses. My lips right now are extremely dry and they need some color, they need some plumping, so I'm hoping that this product will be perfect for that. And this is cruelty free. I'm really liking the packaging on this. It's like a bigger lip gloss than I have in my collection, pretty much. Let's see what the applicator looks like. Oh wow, a huge doe foot applicator to go with the huge lip gloss packaging. Oh my gosh. It smells very minty. I'm not really good at differentiating my mints, but this smells more like a spearmint, more like a green mint gum than the classic, more like peppermint smell. Like, oh, it smells so good if you like mint, which I do. Next, let's see what the swatch looks like. Yes, it has a lot of pigment. Oh my gosh, that is like full opaque color. I was not expecting so much pigment. And the color is true to how it looks in the packaging. Oh boy, I am so excited to apply this. Oh my gosh. Are you serious? This might be the most pigmented plumping lip gloss I have ever used. Oh my gosh. This is like more pigmented than some lipsticks. And with this huge doe foot applicator, I did such a messy job. It's actually a little hard to get precise. Like, I need a lip liner with this. And right away, I notice a cooling feeling, but no painful tingle at all. Oh, this color is so fun. For summer, I just love this shade of pink. But it is like it's starting to get on my teeth. A little like messy with how pigmented it is. I was so not expecting that, but it feels so refreshing on the lips and it's very moisturizing. Even though it is that full opaque color, it's smooth, it doesn't cling to the dry patches because there are no dry patches or chapped areas on my lips anymore because my lips really are hydrated and they look smoothed out. This has a bit of a shiny finish, but it's really not plumping. Like, it's not making my lips any bigger, just more hydrated, a little bit more smoothed out with the lines because of that hydration. I just can't get over how pigmented. So comfortable on the lips, but I think there's going to be a lot of transfer. So let's see. Oh gosh, yeah. A full kiss mark. It's very faded now. So that's the thing with this, like, it is not going to last at all. I'm going to have to constantly be reapplying it, which is a little difficult because of how pigmented it is. Like, I need to apply this very precisely in a mirror with lip liner. So it's not the easiest to wear or easiest to apply lip gloss, but it is really nice on the lips and it looks really beautiful. But I just know, like, my personal preference is that I don't want like a difficult to apply or wear or like a product that I have to worry about as I'm wearing it throughout the day. So this is not going to be my top choice for a lip product, but I do really like it. Like, this is so nice for like some quick photos or a small amount of time where I'm not going to be eating or drinking anything, which I'm constantly drinking water, constantly snacking, so I wouldn't get very long that I could just wear this. And that's why I find myself always reaching for those long-lasting lip products for a regular basis. But I am just so blown away by how unique and like innovative and different the lip products are that I picked up at the drugstore. There are so many, mind-blowing, so many like cool, new, different lip products. And this I'm gonna put in that category with being so opaque and pigmented for a plumping lip gloss. Like, wow, I am very impressed by that. So if you've tried this out, I would love to hear what you think of it in the comments down below. And if you've tried it in any other colors, let me know what those ones are like. I'm wondering if those ones are also very pigmented. Maybe there are some more sheer versions out there as well. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.